So we are here today at Divine Hectares Estate for a client inspection. We came on a client inspection and I thought to just bring you an update on plots available right now for sale. So this is Divine Hectares Estate in Centenary City. We're here again, like I said, on a client inspection. We came with a client for an inspection here. So Divine Hectares is in Centenary. Divine Hectares Estate is in Centenary City, Enugu, right in the heart of Centenary. Okay, and it's a developed estate or a developing estate, like you can see. There is water. There's light. In fact, the estate owns their own transformer. The roads are hard. A few plots are available. So Divine Hectares has an extension. So the extension is right around here. Let me not go too far. Let me show you from here. So you see where that white car is? That is Divine Hectares extension. So the tarred road ends somewhere there and the extension begins. Now, just where the tarred road ends, there is a plot here called plot 30. So plot 30 recently became available for sale. Recently. It wasn't available for sale all the while. It recently became available for sale at 18 million naira. 18 million naira. At the extension, there are a few plots available right there also for sale. Extension sells for 16 million naira. 16 million naira, that is the extension as at today. These plots are available for a short time because the estate is about to review their prices. The entrance into the estate, the entrance are selling for 20 million naira. Plots there sell for 20 million naira. And so the estate is looking to review their prices immediately after the hard work on the extension is completed. This estate is right in the heart of town. People live here. Centenary City, in case you don't know, is one of the fastest developing estate locations currently in Enugu and is just about 10 minutes, between 8-10 minutes drive from Independence Layout, right in town, off Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. So call today, just close to this twin duplex and very close to this duplex as well is this plot 43. This particular plot here, plot 43, is available as well. You can see just by the tarred road, close to this duplex, close to the other duplex, and close to this building as well, available for sale. This is 80 million naira right here. You get a deed of assignment, letter of allocation, your survey, 18 million naira. Like I said, the price of Divine Hectares is going up very soon. So that is why we're making this video, so that you can be aware on time and come pick your own plots here. Call today for a free inspection. Let us bring you here. Enjoy a great day.